So in this video, I want to show you how you can get an audit from any company that is registered here in Cyprus, and you just have to pay 10 euros from the official company register. You don't have to pay 50 euros or 100 euros from, all these websites that you can find on Google to get an audit. You can just get it from the company register, and I will show you how. But before I show you how you can do it, the question is, of course, okay, why should I get an audit from another company? Like, what's the reason? Well, if you think about it, and if you want to, for example, do an analysis based on your competitors, what did they earn last year? What did they earn the year before? What were their expenses? Basically all the financials of the company, you can just read it within the audit, because within the audit we have the balance sheet, we have the profit and loss statement, so we also have the financial statements that are part of the audit. So you can easily just take a look at the audit, and then you know exactly like how much profit, for example, the company made last year. So let's go to Google and type in Cyprus company register. So next you have to click the e-services search results, which is the official company register in Cyprus. Next you want to click this little green e-search button to come to the actual company register. So if you already know the company name of the company you are searching for, just fill in the field for the company name or the register number and click the go button. In our case, let's just search for our own company, which is called SMK Shape and Shift Ltd. But let's just put in, for example, SMK Shape. Now you get a list from all companies that start with SMK Shape. So in our case, it's just our company. So let's just click the result and let's see what we have. So within the organization details, we see some basic information about the company. For example, the name, the register number or the type, and also, for example, the registration date. However, to get the actual audit from the company, we need to follow some other steps, because first we need to register within the Cypriot government. And after we have registered, we can basically study the file and we can pay for the file and finally download the file. Click Study File in the navigation to come to the registration page. If you have no account yet, just click the Sign Up button. If you sign up, you need to create a profile, either if you're an individual, so this is like for citizens, or if you're a company, you can register or create a profile for a company. Let's assume in our case we are a company, so let's just create a profile for a company. Next, just follow the steps for the registration. However, this is something I can't do right now because we are already registered. But it should just take a few minutes until you receive an email from the government. And after you got the email, you can just log in and then finally study the file. So let's proceed and let's log in into the company register. Next, you just have to basically search for the same as we did before. So let's type again SMK Shape and click the search button. Now you will get again a list of all companies, so just select the company you want to have the audit for, and after you just click the More Details button. You will get again an overview about the organization details. Just tick the box for Study File, and after you can just click the Submit button. So now your application has been added to the basket. Next you just click the button eSearch Basket. And sometimes the search requests are not directly shown. So in your basket, you may get a message, no items to display. So in this case, maybe just wait 30 seconds or so and click the refresh button. And after, you should be able to see a result within the search requests. So then you have an overview about all your search requests, or basically what you have in your basket. And the last step is to click again the Submit button, and you will get redirected to the payments page. And on the payments page, you see that you need to pay 10 euros. So for every application you submit, you need to pay 10 euros. But 10 euros is better than 50 euros. So this is how you actually do it. Just go through the payment process, and after you have paid, we can then finally download the audit files, or download in general the files of this company. Now, after you have paid, you will come to this page where it says your application has been successfully paid. And again here, just click the link eSearch Workspace and you will be redirected back to the company register where we can finally see our order And if we click the order, we can then again see all the details of this company. However, in this case, we have more details. On the overview page here at the bottom, you see, several service descriptions. And to download, for example, the audit, we can see here the line item filing of annual return of private company with a share capital. And this is basically the audit. Make sure to download the item where it says for the form description accounts. Just click the link and then finally you have the audit of the company. So I really hope it's helpful for you in case, for whatever reason you want to download an audit. For example, you want to do a market research or you want to analyze some competitors or whatever. And I hope to see you in the next video.